Today I'm going to show you 5 drone shots that I use in my real estate videos that you can too. So let's go ahead and show you what those look like. So the first shot that we have is a far to close shot, and what I like about this shot is that it's a good revealing shot. Now when using a far to close shot, you can even add some tilting in there to add some dynamic to it, or to even change up the shot. So you can add it tilting up, or you can even add it tilting down, depending how you want to go on that. Now the second shot would be the reverse of that. It would be from a close to far shot. This is also a good shot when it comes to like ending a video, because you're kind of like pulling away from the property. Now you could add some tilting to that as well, but those are 2 good shots when you're starting a video or even when you're ending a video. You can even put it in between the video, it really doesn't matter. So the third shot that we have gets a little complicated, but I think it really adds some nice depth to the video. So the way that it works is that you're approaching the property kind of at like eye level of the property, and then we're going to be increasing height, and then we're also going to be tilting down as we kind of like go over the property. So now for this fourth shot that I have, it's kind of like a sweeping to the side type of motion. So in this shot that we see is that we're trying to like reveal the pool area of this condominium, and you can see that we're sweeping to the side little by little, but at the same time you can also add tilting to this and do it to either side as you want. But by adding this sweeping to the side, it's not just straight on, it's not moving forward, it's adding some type of like, nice movement to this shot, and it's not just, straight on as always. So for this fifth shot, I actually really like this shot because it reveals the property really well. So for this shot, we're kind of like high above the property, we're looking down at it, and we're going to be decreasing altitude and tilting our camera as we go down and as we get closer to the property. For like a bonus shot, which is typically just the opposite of this, is that you can kind of be at eye level with the shot, and then you can increase altitude and tilt down at the same time. So that's also another shot, which is typically the same shot, but it's just in reverse. So this is pretty much it for my 5 drone shots that you guys could use in your real estate videos. I hope you guys found it good. There's obviously many more ideas on how you can shoot a drone video, but these are just some good shots that I think would be great for people to incorporate in their own drone videos. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe. I will also have a link down below that will have an email list that will allow you to be notified, because I'm coming out with this course soon about real estate video. Until then, I'll see you guys next video, and I appreciate it.